Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video. We're just out here at that theater room again, the one where we showed you the in-wall subs are going to go. Well, they actually got our floor covered, our riser. So if we'll be around, we'll show that for you real fast. So same matching carpet as before is now on the riser. We had our electrician come in and put some sconces on the side that the client picked out. And now we're actually all over here with Lutron controlled lighting, so we can use automation system to automate it while watching movies through Elon. And you see those big old holes right there? That is actually for this. It is the JL Audio subwoofer that we're installing. And you can see how massive they are. Stay tuned. I'll continue to show you more and fill you in as we go. You kind of look as Kyler cuts it open real fast. It's got foam all the way around it, and it'll be sandwiched in that bay and then sheetrocked over the front of it. So it should look really good afterwards. All you're going to see is the driver down below. Not have to need any power for that, and it'll be a real nice clean solution. Stay tuned, we'll keep showing you more. Alright, just to show you guys what we got going on here. We got this first stud put in the wall, our sub put in between the studs in here. And we have all our templates, and basically what's going to be left will just be this sheetrocked square. Everything else will be covered. So, as you can see, pretty massive as far as how tall it is, and the space it takes up is the entire cavity of the wall. So, we'll have some pieces that we'll have to trim off the stud here that actually go on the stud that sandwich against the sheetrock to make sure you have no vibrations in the wall. And we'll keep showing you more as we continue along and get the second one started. Alright guys, so we got all the subs in. And I'm just going to show you. I went ahead and we cut all the way past this stud because we'll actually have a foam tape. I'll show you what that looks like real fast. That lines up and down the whole stud bay for which sub they're in. So it doesn't rattle. And we'll go ahead and probably remove this plate down here as well. But those are the JBL in-wall subs. They're going to make this room rock. And we still got a lot more work to go. We got the projector to mount, speakers to mount whenever we get the front wall refinished and re-sheetrocked. Stay tuned. We'll keep showing you some more. All right, guys. We got the theater room subs in. Since the last time I think you guys have seen it, we've had the electrician get done out here with our controlled lighting switches. And I'll go ahead and show you what those look like and show you a little lighting. So we got our Lutron switches. This is on and off, and that's going to run our floor light. And then we have two dimmers, one for the in ceiling and then one for our sconces. So if you can look back and you can see our step light, it's pretty bright for a step light, but it's all shining away from your viewing area towards the walkout. So I don't think that'll interfere at all. But let's go ahead. But we have our side sconces there, and we can dim those down for our movie time, but have them on at a low level. And they look really good. And then we can bring in our bigger cans for when you need some light in here. So with that being said, Lutron, Elon control is what's going to make that happen. And they'll be able to change the lights from just sitting in their chair with their mobile phone or a remote control from Elon as well. And these are all treated all the way up to the ceiling and down to the floor with some foam material that comes with them. And like I showed you earlier, how they kind of had these bracings on here earlier. Those used to mount them. And then after you're done, you take those away because they'll end up being held by 4 of these that are screwed into the speaker and the wall. So it's nice and sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. When they put the sheetrock up against flat to it with the barrier of this foam stuff here, it's not going to vibrate. It's going to give them sound, you know, like you wouldn't believe. For this room, it's going to be really great. And remember to like and subscribe down below. Keep following us along, and we'll show you some more on this project. We'll see you next time. Have a great choice day.